you. And what about MGL? Sudarshan is now back with us to talk about what to expect from Mahanagar Gas this quarter.
So after IGL reporting a strong set of earnings, we are expecting MGL to report the strongest set of earnings amongst all the city gas companies. We might see an improvement in the margin on the back of the price hike, and the price hike taken by MGL was the most amongst all the city gas companies. So on the back of all these factors, also remember that like all these oil marketing companies, internals for even city gas companies, if you compare with Q4, now in the last 1 month or say 1.5 months of Q1 FY26, internals have improved. Crude has fallen, rupee has depreciated. So all these are like going to benefit city gas companies, not in the results of Q4 FY25, but going forward. Now coming to the headline numbers, profit may fall by 6%. Revenue is likely to come almost unchanged around rupees 1,784 crore. EBITDA may increase by 2% and margin too can see a minor expansion and can come around 18% or might be more than that. Now coming to EBITDA per SCM, which is one of the most important metrics for city gas companies, also known as the realization or say margin. EBITDA per SCM for MGL is seen rising 5% sequentially, but year-on-year, it might see a big fall, but more than year-on-year, what would be tracked closely is the growth that might see on a sequential basis. Now, in absolute term, EBITDA per SCM can come around rupees 8.73 versus rupees 8.30 that company had reported last quarter. Now, what exactly we would be looking in the management's commentary? First, if you remember, recently Maharashtra government has announced EV policy. Now, we'll have to see if there is any update that MGL has heard from Maharashtra government and if government is taking any action related to transition like what we have been hearing from Delhi government. Again, Delhi government is also draft, and after that minister had said that all these details that have been out in public domain are not correct. So we'll have to see what's the update from Maharashtra government. And second, if companies planning to take another price hike to protect the margin, we'll have to see that. And what would be watched very closely that after price hike that MGL has taken of rupees 3, has it managed to control the volumes, or has it managed to see the volume growth despite that?
If you are a layperson listening to this, you would have answered all the questions with this very detailed explainer that Sudarshan has put out as to what to expect for MGL in this quarter. We take a short break, more on the markets, but